There can be many reasons why some users encounter the graphics device driver error with a specific code. Let's see the methods to make the GPU function normally again. First up, try disabling Fast Startup to check if it is causing the graphics device driver error. Here's how. Right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin from the list. When the User Account Control window opens, click on the Yes button to open the command prompt. Type the following command and press Enter to disable Fast Startup. Restart your PC to see the changes. Next, if the error message pops up after recently updating the GPU driver, you need to roll back the driver to the previous version. Here's how. Press the Windows key and X keyboard shortcut to open the Power User menu. Click on Device Manager. Navigate to the Display Adapter section and double-click on the GPU name. Switch to the Driver tab. Click on the Rollback Driver option. Wait for the utility to roll back the driver and then check if the error message pops up. Lastly, if these fixes fail to resolve the issue, it might be a hardware problem, so you must get your GPU inspected by a technician to know the exact reasons and fix it if possible. Otherwise, you need to replace the GPU with a new one. These fixes should solve the GPU device drive error on Windows. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.